Sayang ilabay. Sayang itapon. Yung ganito dapat tilukin ba? Oh my God! 1 sausage and 1 bowl. Where's your other bowls? So yun, pumasok si Mister galing sa labas na Nigarilyo. At hindi niya ako nakikita kasi andito ako sa dining. Nagtataka siya kung asan ako mga loves. Tinitingnan niya sa labas, wala ako. So kaya ngayon, pinapanidaan ko lang siya, no? Pinapanidaan. I know you're confused. Okay, I wanna see you eat over that side and then I eat here. Like we're very far away. Hey,
as long as I can keep the plant in front of me.
how are you? I'll go get the thing. I'll go get it. I told you, you are my boss and you can do anything. That's not us. That's the neighbor. I did yesterday also. I did put our garbage. That's the neighbor. Why me? Just like there's something wrong with you. Yun, maulan na panahon mga loves. Tignan nyo kung gaano kalabong na yung aking mga ano, no? Like ito, ang ganda-ganda ninyo mga loves, oh. Ito siya, oh. Pag magbulak na yan siya, mag-open na. Sobrang ganda niya, grabe. Yan, so, yan, maulan the whole day and ngayon na araw at kahapon. Ang langit, oh. Diba? So, yung mga ibon naman, ang daming ibon. Kailangan kong pakainin sila, oy. Wala silang makain ba? Kasi, kami, nagbibigay ng pagkain. Tara, bigyan natin mga loves. Tara. Masaya lang si Inday Mirian kasi po nakikita ko na yung ating cucumber, tumutubo na sila. Hindi pa sila ready transfer. At itong ating alugbati, hindi ko pa siya nakita nagtubo, no? So sana tutubo. At itong ating kamatis, masaya naman siya kahit few days ago maginaw, kinaya naman. At ang ating sitaw, hindi pa sila tumutubo mga loves na nag-alala ko dito kasi po yung mga ibon dito nakatambay at nagkalkal sila mga loves, hinahanap nila yung liso, no? So hopefully hindi nila nahanap yung liso kasi mayroon tayong nilagay na tukod or kahoy na para hindi nila mahirapan sila ba. So yun, at maulan-ulan talaga. At ang ating, nakikita ko na din yung ating strawberry. Ang dami nang nagbubulak na siya mga loves, nagbubunga na. Maaga po talaga tayo makaharvest ng strawberry mga loves. At kahit maliit po itong mga bunga nila, no, matamis. At ito na yung ating ibon, masaya na sila dahil po meron na silang mga pagkain na bigay. Yun, ang pinakagusto ko talaga na ibon dito is yung pula mga loves, yung lalaki na cardinal. Sobrang colorful po talaga nila sa kaya. So yun, happy na yung mga anak namin sa labas. O, diba? Yun, meron po tayong liso ng ating bitter melon. So, ngayon, titignan natin mga loves for the first time kung tumubo ba siya, kung hindi ba siya alam niyo na, like last year, nag-mold lang siya, walang nangyari. So, tinapon ko na. Kasi tinago ko siya dito sa ating cabinet. Tinago ko siya. So, ngayon. Yun mga loves. So, andito siya. Tignan natin. Oh my goodness. Tignan natin. Open sesame. Ay, hello mga darling. 1, 2, 3. Tatlo ang nag-open up. Look, kita ninyo? Nag-open up ang tatlo. Hindi nyo nakita. Pero I think hindi ko alam. Pabayaan ko ba ito siya dito or i-transfer ko siya? Transfer na itong brocos. Yes! Ay. Nagtubo ang tatlo. And then plus meron doon isa sa yards. Yung pinatubo natin doon sa lupa. So, meron ako nakitang nagsulpot isa. So, hopefully, hindi yun kakainin ng ibon. So, I think tabunan ko yun siya mga loves. Halala, ang bunny rabbit nagtakbuhan. Nag-away ang dalawa. Buing man itong bunnies. We're having leftover mga loves. Kasi nga, si Mary Ann is hindi nagluluto. Kasi marami kaming leftover. So, ngayon si Tame nagkaroon ng sausage, nagkaroon ng burger. Diba, nagluto ako ng burger. And then ako din, meron ako ditong chicken, pikata. Napikat na si Tata. And my husband is making some swalad. Nagsaswalad lang siya mga loves. And my two cats are lining up. Look, did you see their noses, honey? Look. Their noses. Hi, you're lining up in Dada's blankie. Look at these two. They're so cute, honey. Look. Hey, Dim. Dada's. Oh my God. One sausage and one bowl. Where's your other bowls? Where is it, honey?
Where do you think that I'm using to put on it?
Achilles, is that it, Han? You don't want pasta? No. You want the potato over there?
If I do, I'll get it.
Han, I don't cook it right?
No, it's perfect.
Han? Uncooked, Han, I don't like that. When my husband eating some burger like that, mga loves, it's like, hey, why? You know? Look, they're looking at you, honey. So, kakain po tayo. Pineapple. Next time, I won't put pineapple, mga loves. It's not bad, but it's not the same. It's not the same. It's not bad. Pero lahi yun siya. So, yun. Leftover galore. Thank you. Where's your water? Where's your glass, Han? Han? I'll get it. Where is it? I'll get it.
Man, I'm up. But you're gonna wait till Rachi eats it.
Look, tignan nyo. Pagkain ng ano. Binigyan kayo ng dada ninyo, pero spoiled man na good. Spoiled man na good. Spoiled, ha? Ha? Spoiled, ha? You? Dada give you food over there. Dada did. Oh, my hubby. What are you doing?
Get ready to go.
He is naked. I want to see him naked. It's not, it's me, not you. Me, the problem, it's me. It's me. Hey, it's me. Me, the problem is me. Am I a problem? Ziza. My husband showered. Ziza. A lot of people have said that why your husband is really not like so loving to you. He's always ignoring you and
Yeah, okay.
it's like he doesn't even know how to hug you.
Yeah.
Hug me.
Sorry, this reality show is different.
We're not reality show. We're
Yeah,
just,
we are.
but you know that I'm very annoying, right? I'm like this in real life, and he is not. And this is the reality. What you see is what you get.
Pretty much.
He's struggling to walk with. He's struggling. Oh, dude. What? You later still can't find it?
Yeah, I'm going to get you Coke-Ups.
I'll go with you, you know?
Well, how come you're not ready?
I'm just gonna be in the car.
Well, let's go.
So, samahan ko lang siya, mga love. You know, we always need company.
You can say you want to go, so I'll get it for you to go.
I will shut this off. And then that. So, samahan ko lang siya. I'll drive him.
What are you shutting off?
Because, huh?
What did you shut off?
I boiled the thing. The TV is on, darling. Are you happy that I'm with you? I give you company?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, why not coconut, diba?
Why not coconut?
Yeah, why not coconut? Kahit na magluluto pa tayo doon, kailangan natin bigyan ng kumpanya si Tame. Kumpanya talaga pag sure that day. Nice new. Oh, they have a big yard here.
Yeah.
They really extended. I thought they're not gonna make it all yardy. Yeah, but they have cold cuts over there. Nagre-route kami, mga loves, kasi nga mayroon doong bus na stuck. So, yung bus na yan is talagang hindi makagalaw yung mga sasakyan. So, na-stuck kami doon. So, nagliko kami, bumalik kami sa Agi. At nagpunta kami sa ibang tindahan. Nasasad ang asawa ko dahil hindi siya makabili ng cold cuts pala yung bilhin niya.
Kapalitan, nasad, taka, o lobster tail. Kanahangin sa na, Hangin doon na.
Apat mga labs, apat na lobster yung dilagay sa freezer na naman, di ba? So, meron tayong apat na ganito, ang isa nilagay. Maliit nga siya mga labs, $15 po ito, no? Ito lang dalawa maliit. Lutuin ko to. At yung ating lobster. Ang liit ng lobster, pero kahit na yan, masarap yan. Sobrang juicy niya. I don't know if Tommy think is juicy.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit. Not dry.
Paano po ito i-open mga labs? I need some scissor with this. Look, oh. Ang liit niya mga labs. Grabe. Sobrang liit niya. Diyan lang yan, oh. I-open mo na kay Mister. Kasi si Mister, ayaw niyang kainin mga labs kung hindi ko anuhin. Alam niyo bakit? Gusto niyang ibigay sa akin. So, ngayon, sabi ko sa kanya, ano ito? Kalukuhan na ito. Kainin mo yung sayo dong. Kasi, kawawa siya mga labs. Uy, palagi na lang siyang bigay ng bigay. Look, oh, I accidentally get the... So, bigay siya ng bigay sa akin and then hindi siya kakain sa mga binibili niya kasi gusto niya ako prioritize. Aray. You cut it in half. Look. Diba?
Go you at a seafood restaurant for that.
Look at this. Ay. Who your son, Han? Can you smell it, Han? Hab, seriously, bag?
Where's my man?
Masasabi ko sa'yo, it's right here. Pag ang seafood talaga kainin mo, ang saya ng buong katawan. Utak, ganun. No, kapag seafood na talaga. Ako nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa kanya kasi sabi ko sa kanya, salamat ha, so grabe ang bait mo. Sabi ko sa kanya, ang bait mo talaga dong. Sinabi ko mga labs kasi nga, mabait naman talaga yan, oy. I can't even eat this without butter, Han. It's so nice and sweet. It's so perfect. So, lagyan, try natin butter.
Use on the bread.
It's right here. Kole man eh. It's right here.
I'm here, little man.
Iba ang sarap eh. Iba talaga ang sarap niya sa lobster at saka sa king crab. May kaparehas siya. Yung sweetness. Yun siya. Pero, iba talaga siya mga labs. Iba ang sarap.
I gotta walk it over to him.
Makakain mo siya na ganito without ng mga dipping sauce. Lami kayo.
He likes shrimp.
Hubs, my goodness, you're wasting that little boy. Sayang ilabay. Sayang itapon. Yung ganito dapat tilukin ba? Tilukin. Dapat anuhin talaga siya. Kung pwede palang masupsup. Ang sarap. Maliit siya na lobster, hindi siya malaki. Kasi kung bibili ka nito ng sobrang laki, and then isa lang, sobrang mahal. Ito siya, dalawa siya, pero maliit, and then mahal na nga siya. Lobat.